Are you struggling to find the perfect design for your warehouse construction project? Navigating the complexities of warehouse construction can often feel overwhelming. Without the right expertise, you risk compromising on crucial elements such as space optimization, workflow efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Our expert warehouse consultancy services specialize in warehouse construction, offering tailored solutions that align perfectly with your specific requirements. We work closely with you to assess your goals, analyze your operations, and create a detailed design that maximizes space while improving productivity. With our guidance, you can ensure that every square foot of your warehouse is utilized effectively, leading to enhanced performance and smoother workflows. The space designed not just for storage but also for seamless operations, allowing you to focus on what you do best: running your business. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.